The wiring harness is retained using cable ties. This allows the harness to be removed without damaging any retaining clips. The sensor connectors are secured with a red locking tab which needs to be lifted to allow the connectors to be removed. The connectors have seals which should be inspected to ensure they will not allow moisture to enter the connector. When removing the connector from the ECM, it's not necessary to cut the cable ties where shown. Instead, first remove the connector, then unscrew the bracket and remove the whole assembly.